Toll Brothers builds a beautiful home, and today we are here in one of their neighborhoods, Brookmeade and Cumming, and I am with Katie. So Katie, why don't we start with this area? What can you tell us about it?
So we are located just a few miles from Denmark High School, and we are also in walking distance to Fowler Park, which is located off of the Big Creek Greenway. There's excellent shopping, dining, and loads of entertainment nearby. With such easy accessibility to Georgia 400, it makes for an easy trip to downtown Alpharetta, Avalon, and even Halcyon. Brookmeade has excellent amenities such as a resort-style swimming pool, 4 tennis courts, and our beautiful clubhouse available for neighborhood gatherings or private parties. We offer spacious home sites, which is so appealing to our home purchasers. You'll find other unique features in our homes, including stone or brick exteriors and 3-car garage doors.
Well, Katie, you have got to tell me about this model home because it is absolutely stunning, and I have been in awe since I've been here. So tell me a little bit about this floor plan.
So this is one of my favorite floor plans. It is open yet defined, and I would have to say my favorite feature in our great room is the Cosmo 2-sided linear fireplace. It is just spectacular. Each home is built with the home buyer's comfort and needs in mind. That's why we are proud to offer the benefit of natural gas in these homes. Natural gas is clean, safe, reliable, affordable, and efficient. We include natural gas furnaces, water heating, fireplaces, and cooktops because no matter the season or the weather, every family deserves energy they can depend on at a cost they can afford. To further personalize your home, we also have gorgeous options available, including outdoor living spaces, prep kitchens, and extended bedroom suites with their own living room area. Our primary suites have luxurious bathrooms with enormous walk-in closets, and our secondary bedrooms have the option for an en-suite private bathroom. Homes at Brookmeade range from 3,700 up to 4,700 square feet. Our prices range from $850,000 all the way up to $950,000. Also, we have incentives available with our preferred lender, Toll Brothers Mortgage.
Well, for those that want to learn more about Brookmeade, what is the best way to do that?
So you can visit our website at Toll Brothers Brookmeade, or you can give us a call at 470-266-3773, and our sales center is open every day.
Well, Katie, thanks so much for being here with me today. And to learn more about natural gas and natural gas products, you can go to atlantagaslight.com. And remember, nothing says welcome home like the comfort of natural gas.